finally, everything that we have done with the hatch up until this point, as far as the new parts and trying to figure out the body lines, it all comes down to this video. Earlier this week, I received the hinges for the hood as well as the hood pins, which will hopefully help us get this problem situated, because you can see that the gap here is a little too tight, but then over here on this side the gap is quite bigger. So I'm assuming that the hinges that are currently on the car are bent, because everything else fits pretty good. So hopefully, like I said, these are true and straight and we'll be able to fix that problem, and then after that everything should look beautiful. We're gonna have to clean that off with the vacuum too. It's all full of dirt, all kinds of shit in there. Alright, which one should we start with? Let's do the driver's side first. Throw that bad boy on there. Still shit. Damn, I think we got it, boys. Look at that. Clean. Damn, I think we might have just got it. God damn. It's so hot up in here too. But damn, bro. Finally, after all that work, I think we got it. Alright, now it's time to install these hood pins. I just got to read some instructions real quick, and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so what I ended up deciding to do was using the factory hole right here, so we didn't have to drill anything out. And now that we have the pins in place, we're going to use some toothpaste to put some on the top of the pin right there, and then the same thing on this other side. Now that we got that on there, you just come down with it. That way it marks like where it's going to be, and then we know where to drill. So let's see. So you can see right there it gave us our mark, and then on this side as well. I just gotta go grab this drill and then we can drill them out. All the videos I've seen of people doing this, they've been using a Dremel tool, and I don't have one, so I'm gonna use this jigsaw and hopefully we can get a good result with it. Not too confident in this, honestly. I'd rather have a Dremel. Yeah, see what I'm saying? I don't think this is gonna work, man. Yep, nope. That's exactly what I knew was gonna happen. Well, my brother-in-law, I think he has a Dremel tool, so I'm gonna have to hit him up, see if I can use it. If not, I'm just gonna have to invest in one, because what else am I gonna do? Cut. Alright guys, damn, this glare is just terrible. But yeah, last night I went and bought a Dremel tool, so we should finally be able to cut these hood pinholes out. But I ended up getting the battery powered one. It was $100, so we should be able to pretty much do everything we want with this thing. Oh, there's the first part. Alright guys, attempt number 70 here. Oh, I think, yes sir, there it is. I feel it. I feel it. Yes sir. Now we just gotta cut out the little second layer here and we'll be golden. Alright guys, well after a lot of test fitting and grinding, we finally got it. And it looks really good actually. The thing that made it kind of difficult though was the angle of the hood compared to the angle of where the pin is, because this is pretty much flat and level, whereas the hood comes down at an angle. I didn't get clips of the passenger side because it was pretty much the same exact thing, just more cutting, grinding, and trying to, you know, perfect it and get it to close. But here bro, hold the camera so I could show you guys here in action what we got going on. There's that side. Yes sir. And then here on the closing too. Boom. Push down on this side a little bit. We're good. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. It helps out the channel, push it out to new people. But yeah, with the work that we did today, that officially gets us to bodywork, which is gonna be the longest part of this whole build. But I'm gonna try to make it as interesting and entertaining as possible. If you guys have any recommendations or anything that you would like to see in the bodywork, just let me know in the comments and I will make sure to add that into the videos. Just hang in there with me, guys, because after body work then comes paint, and then after that it's just pretty much all the new parts and just all the satisfying stuff to watch. So yeah, I hope you, like I said, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.